Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless half-inch high-torque impact wrench. Engineered for heavy-duty use, it delivers incredible power and torque for the toughest jobs. These are the most powerful, most compact, longest-running impact wrenches in their class. This tool's short 8 7/8 inch frame delivers 450 foot-pounds of torque, yet it weighs only 6.7 pounds. Different models come with either a friction ring for quick and easy socket changes or a pin detent for positive socket retention. This tool is compatible with the Red Lithium Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. For superior power in a compact package, choose the Milwaukee M18 cordless half-inch high-torque impact wrench, powered by Red Lithium.